Mattress shopping is genuinely confusing. Do you want a soft mattress, medium mattress, firm mattress? What does any of that even mean? Well, today I'm going over all 3 firmness options of the Saatva Classic right here to help you figure out which one is right for you. As always, check the YouTube description down below or scan the QR code on the screen for any Saatva deals and discounts. All right, let's get started. So first of all, what even is the Saatva Classic? What kind of mattress is it? Well, the Saatva Classic is a hybrid innerspring mattress, which basically means it combines the best of both worlds. A coil-on-coil support system for that classic bouncy lifted feel, plus memory foam and a plush pillow top for pressure relief. Because the coils allow for better airflow to move through the mattress, this is also a solid option if you're a hot sleeper. It's made with eco-friendly materials and comes in 2 height options, 11.5 inches or 14.5 inches. And one thing to keep in mind for couples, this does have a pretty responsive feeling, so if you sleep with someone who's pretty restless, you may feel movement on the other side of the bed. The Saatva Classic does come in 3 different firmness options: Plush Soft, Luxury Firm, and Firm. Now, I'm gonna put all 3 of those versions on a firmness scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is super soft and 10 is rock hard. First up, we've got Plush Soft, which I rated a 5 out of 10. This is Saatva's softest option. It has more of that cozy sink-in feel where the mattress kind of hugs you back. Next is the Luxury Firm, Saatva's most popular option. I'd put it right at a 6.5 to 7 out of 10. So it's a true medium firm to slightly firm mattress, landing in that sweet spot where you get real support and comfort without sacrificing either. It's also the industry standard where most mattresses land. And finally, the Firm, which I rated an 8 out of 10, has very little give. So you're sleeping on the mattress, not in it. So if you want to sleep like a baby, like you feel like you're being cradled, or you just want to sleep on something like a hardwood floor, the Saatva Classic has an option just for you. Here's the thing that most people don't consider when they're mattress shopping: their sleeping position. Are you a side sleeper, back sleeper, stomach sleeper, somewhere in between like a combination sleeper? Well, I'm gonna go through all those sleeping positions to help you figure out which one is right for you in terms of sleeping position. Starting with side sleepers. If you're a side sleeper, you put a lot of pressure on your shoulders and hips, so you need something that actually cushions those contact points. The Plush Soft is gonna be your best match. If you're a combination sleeper who also spends time on your side, or if you weigh more than 130 pounds, the Luxury Firm can also work. Just know it won't contour quite as deeply. Personally, I'm a lightweight side sleeper weighing under 130 pounds, so I prefer the Plush Soft and sometimes the Luxury Firm. Back sleepers, you need a balance of comfort and support to keep your spine aligned. The Luxury Firm is the go-to here. It has the right mix of cushion and support for your body. Heavier back sleepers, or those who prefer denser support or firmer mattress, want to go straight to the Firm. For all stomach sleepers, the Firm is your safest bet. A too soft mattress can let your hips sink and throw your spine out of alignment, which over time means back pain. The Firm keeps everything level. In combination sleepers, good news is that you have options. The Luxury Firm is generally the best happy medium pick if you switch between different positions throughout the night. Now, if you're a combination sleeper and weigh under 130 pounds, you could get away with the Luxury Firm, but you may want to consider the Plush Soft. So like I said, if you're a heavier sleeper weighing over 230 pounds, most mattresses are going to feel quite soft for you. So go with the Luxury Firm or the Firm option. And one of the coolest things about the Saatva Classic is that it's not just one mattress, 3 labels. All 3 different firmness options contain different materials. At the top of every model, you do have a quilted Euro pillow top with an organic cotton cover, but the foam layers inside that pillow top are what change. The Plush Soft use thicker, plusher foams for that deep sink-in feeling. The Luxury Firm uses balanced medium density cushioning, and the Firm uses firmer foam layers that help keep the surface flat and supportive. Underneath all of that, every version does have the same structure from there: a coil-on-coil support system and a foam perimeter to help keep you supported if you like to move towards the edge of the bed. And to me, I feel like the Saatva Classic's edge support goes super underrated. This gives you more usable mattress real estate, and you can even sit on the side of the bed, tying your shoes, doing whatever, putting your shoes on, and you won't feel like you're sliding off. All right, let's wrap this video up and go over pricing and Saatva's policies. The Saatva Classic can cost you anywhere between $1,800 to $2,100 for a queen, so yes, this is a premium mattress. But here's what you get for that price: a 365-night sleep trial, a lifetime warranty, and free white glove delivery service. This means they'll bring in your mattress, set it up, and haul away your old mattress, so there's no awkward hallway maneuvering like this.
Pivot! Pivot!
Just be sure to check the YouTube description down below or scan the QR code on screen for any deals and discounts. Well guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope I helped you find the right firmness option. Let me know in the comments down below if I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye.